Welcome to this quick introduction on setting up a project online. That is the main objective for this small little tutorial. Just wanted to walk people through essentially where you first set up the subscription and then how you associate users, and then of course how do you navigate around in the new project online environment. So the first thing I wanted to show you is where it is. So when you're logged into Office 365, of course you need to have the proper rights to be able to add subscriptions and set up services and the like within a given profile. So the first thing I'll do is just simply come up to my main tile area, if you will, in the upper left hand corner, and I'll go into the administration area, into admin. And from admin, what I'm looking for as I scroll down is purchase services. So Microsoft has done a good job. They've improved the interface in terms of navigating to certain areas of interest, whether or not you are adding a new suite, as in the case here when we first come into it, based on what essentially you want to be working with, like the essentials, as you can see here, 365 Business Premium, and gives you some pricing information. There's also dynamics, as you can see here. And then as I scroll down, you see all the different options that you have, and what we're looking for is the project pricing and project options that we have. So just keep coming down. Notice that there's OneDrive for Business, Visio, and again, this is a subscription model, so you're basically paying by user. And so again, as you start to come down and scroll down into the different areas, what we're looking for is what we have available to us around project professionals. So notice there's Project Pro for Office 365, and what we're looking for is Project Online. So notice that right here in the middle, Project Online indicates that I've purchased it. So really it's just a matter of you coming into this particular area and deciding that you want to purchase it. So notice this one is purchased, so it's looking at payment details, quantity. When I come into Project Lite, it's looking for me to purchase it. And one of the first things that you'll see when you first come into this is you say, okay, well, here's Project Online month to month, but then there's Project Online with Project Pro for Office 365. So really it has to do with, do you have a Project Professional license? And if you do, if you are currently running Project Professional, then you just need to work with Project Online. This is the service or the server portion of the solution. If you're just simply going to be using Microsoft Project and SharePoint Online in a lighter fashion, as the name implies here, notice that the price per month is considerably cheaper because you're not getting the enterprise project server solution, which is of course here in an online format. So this is a lighter weight, smaller projects. Perhaps you're taking advantage of SharePoint and SharePoint task lists, as opposed to using full-blown enterprise projects where you can make changes into projects and things like that while you're online. And we'll go through that as we work through these different tutorials. Okay, so essentially you go in and you set up your subscription and your membership. The next thing we'll do is we'll move into actually associating that new subscription with a user.